Hello there, this is Brian, and on the phone with me is Paul. We are both employees with Industrial Medium, and we are here today to give a brief overview of how to establish a tutoring session within a Tutori app. So let's get started. The top left of the screen that I'm currently sharing, you'll notice an owl icon with a plus symbol. You can go ahead and hit that. It will bring up a new study partner. Paul is my new study partner, and I'm going to create an invitation for him. So in our pending invitation list now down here, you'll see that Paul is now there with an invitation code 463395. He's going to type that in on his end, and I'll show you where it's done. So when you're receiving a code on your from a tutor or from a session host, you're going to go back into the new study partner window, and you're going to select I have a code instead of create an invitation, and you will type in the code in the next window that prompts you. So Paul, yep, all right. So he just entered the code, and we now have a established study partnership. And I'm going to start the session as a tutor. So now I'm in the session, and I'm waiting for Paul. Working with Paul now at the top, as you can see. So he is currently here. And hit the center icon to start uploading documents for use in this session. Just upload a generic document here. A blank sheet of paper here. Oh, and if you notice, there's an icon now over the French worksheet. That indicates that Paul's actually in that document, and if you were to switch out and go to the blank page, it would show the switching of the icon to that one. And there we go, he's switched. It's two-way, so if I were to do the same thing, he would see my icon on his end as well. So I'm going to enter the blank page. For our purposes, I'm going to be using the blue pen at the bottom. And Paul can use red just so you know who's writing what. So I'm going to get started here. And Paul will probably respond with something. Great. And I'm going to erase everything. Awesome. He just drew that green check mark there. So this is just a basic overview of how to establish a session in Tutori. And that is all.